Hello everyone, I'm so happy to share with you a very strong topic today. It's the famous first impression. So we are going to go really deep into this notion and to make sure that you understand how important it is. So let's start with the first thing. Why the first impression is so important. I'm coaching leaders, top magnetic and influent leaders. And I can tell you that the first impression in a person's mind is gonna stay for long. And an impression is a message printed in the person's mind with notes. Do you want those notes to be like, this person is not so confident, this person is not so stylish, this person doesn't really take care of herself? Do you want that kind of thing? Or do you want this person takes care of herself, she is authentic, this person is charismatic, this person seems to have knowledge, she's knowledgeable, and she seems to have also authority? Do you want this more? I think you want that, right? So the secret, the strongest secret you can use for the right first impression, because the first impression comes from your total look, is the way you dress. Of course, it's obvious, but how powerful it is if you use it well. So the way you will use your appearance, the way you dress, will have a very important impact on people's mind for a long time. So remember to use it to your advantage and not your disadvantage, because the way you dress says a lot about you. Is it completely relaxed? Is it formal? Can we trust this person or not? Is this person serious about things? Is she taking care of herself? We can see all of that through the way you look, the way you dress, the way you take care of your body. So if you implement style secrets, if you implement a strong way to dress that shows your personality, that shows that you take care of things, that you know what you're talking about, well then you start on a very, very powerful path with the person that you want to reach and that you want to deliver. Because we all want to deliver something on this planet, and we want to deliver it in the proper way. So one of the most important ways, and you can't just sneak it, is the way you dress. We will learn more things on other videos, because you know it's a series on how to reach the top 1% of the most magnetic leaders. So I will not tell everything right now in this episode. Also, if you want to learn more on this topic, I've created a workshop on the style secret. I've put a lot of knowledge into that. I've been analyzing stars for years. I have been also spending time with some of the most magnetic and most elegant people on the planet at the PT Uomo, and I have learned their secrets. I have put 7 of those strongest secrets in a workshop that takes 7 days to attend, with 7 exercises for you to implement and to reach yourself the top 1% of the most magnetic people. So if you're curious about that, you can go to the page below, to the link below, and go to the page of the workshop and see if it's the right thing for you. And then I can tell you, if you take this workshop, you will go one step further. So only you know, only action do. Only action will make a difference for you and your life. So see you for the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, of course. If you like the video, you can share it, and we can also discuss in the comments below. I'm always happy to do so, so let's do it. See you for the next video. Ciao.